Hey, what's up, guys? 7. So now we're going to go over the changes and settings for VEXIS midday. So this is the primary time that we'll be running VEXIS. So it is slightly different. It uses a different filter. So it's a different animal, really, in the midday than it is in pre-market. So we're going to go over the settings and just point out some differences. And so again, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday have their own settings if it runs. Unlike pre-market, midday does run on Fridays. So pre-market only runs Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So make sure you have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. We currently use Anchor 2. And this one, no trade, you can put 11, 11:05 to 12:00. This one we do use the range location filter. So make sure all these are checked, unchecked, one trade a day because we want multiple. Body strength 0.4, and we do use double tap as always, 7.45 and 14. Now on the midday we do use the tick Q entry filter. So option void opposite flow, 1.5 tick and tick Q. And again, if you're not sure, if you have the proper data, just put tick Q up here, just the same as you would ES, QQQ, Tesla. And if it says it has a green dot like this during New York session, then you're good. If it has delayed data, it'll tell you, and then you can click on it, and it'll tell you which package you need. But for the most part, most people probably already have it. Tick weight 1, 1.5, and normalization's 800. So we don't use the Globex. This is only for Asian session, London session, pre-market. So that's only for the pre-market algo. So we can uncheck, not use it, and you don't have to pay attention to these settings unless you're setting up pre-market. So take profit. Currently we use an Anchor. Make sure use sweep candle extreme is unchecked. Use stop loss, trailing profit, 300, 200, and 5. And we do on the midday use DOA exit, 26 ticks, 12, and 0.2. So kill trading for a day after DOA exit and show DOA exit label. It is up to you, and then you can show the P&L if you want. So those are the most recent settings right now on the new VEXIS Pro plus macro for the pre-market and midday. If you've got everything right as of June the 11th, 26, this should be your most recent trading days on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, the last 26 days, so 25 out of 26. If you want to see up to 90 days, just click 90 days, and then you should see 22,005, and then 1855 drawdown, 97.44% win rate, 22.89 profit factor. Again, make sure you have on bar close, and if you want, again, you can use bar magnifier. It tries to, with historical data and live data, slight difference sometimes. It can try and show you more accurate fills, especially when they close on wicks, when a trail stop is used as opposed to a target. But that's just some limitations with TradingView. The further the data gets out, the more it's just going to be whack. So just don't ever look back more than that, and then gauge off that, and then always forward test. But that's just limitations with TradingView. But nonetheless, that's the current settings. If you have any questions, just let me know. Feel free to message me or send me a chat DM on the Discord.